Let us go to our exercise to just discuss. Saka ndine ma-questions andichaelecta kungokupai as homework. Ndine ma-questions andichaona necessity of helping you. Kozoita ma-questions atichangotaura because anenge ari relatively easy. Saka this is your number 1, exercise 14C. Irikuti, this is homework. You can do this because irikutesta if you understand the language of psychogeometry. So I'm not going to go with you through it. If you attempt it and maybe you contact me via comments or on my numbers with a genuine concern. If you bring a question from any of our lessons to my numbers, maybe you work and you bring a question, you should also bring the way you attempted it. Like, to get an example and you don't understand it, also send me like proof of when you attempted it so that I can pinpoint where exactly you went wrong. You understand? So that's your homework. Number 2, find the marked angle in each of the following, where we have a point O as center given. It is given. It is the center of the circle. Then the hint is make a careful copy of each figure and write in the angles as they are found. And it. Okay. So let us discuss here. So what we want to discuss, Panaba, is whether you can see what I'm trying to make you see. So we need this angle. Angle ish the 40. Reason ndiye kuti kudini angles inside the same segment. Ka M kangu kabuda kana kuti ka scissors kana kuti ka W, regardless how do you see it. So kana tine ma angles 2 inside a circle, h3 and it's 1. So that's it. B inoi E 90. White sheet 90. Reason murikuona kuti pama reasons angu handisi kupa kuti theorem nambani because it's moot. Ma reasons angu ndinongopa a statement. Reason ndeyekuti that's an angle inside a semicircle. Saka tava ne 2 angles ne missing angle inside a triangle. Izo ndakukusira yo, otherwise you can look for a grade 7 to help you. I'm just kidding. Then panapa, what is going to be per C, just discussing. Saka C, as you can see here, it's 1 per C. And it because angles on a straight line. Tikawana angle ish. Then can you see guti e angle in its 1? Opposite sides of a cyclic quad. That's cyclic because makona isari for akabata circumference. Saka na angle isinganitsi kwana tichashandisa angles on a straight line kwana ish. Tane 2 angles h3 and it's 1. Then codit naita say we are just discussing panapa panetsi kwana apa. Kwana the opposite side of O kungoti 360 minus 116. And it oro ya tawana ipapo then apa panetsi kwana apa because half ye E ndio yepanapa. Saka tavanichi tavane 1 2 3 angles inside a shape with 4. That's more like a kite inside a shape with 4 sides. Saka tine 3 angles mukati me shape ine 4 zoreva kuti ainetsi kwana. But let me help you part D because most people make mistakes ipapa. Okay. Indo yatiri kutsvaga. Mistake inoita vazhinji kufunga kuti angle yatiri kutsvaga is going to be 25. No. That's hapazipo panoshanda angles inside the same segment. Angles inside the same segment should be coming from, not from a common point. Because panapa arikubva from a common point. Angles inside the same segment, they come from a common arc or a common chord like this. Handiti ari kubva pa common chord, kachord kacho aka kana kuti common arc, haasi kubva pa common point. Saka kana m asingabudi hazvishande. Tichaiwana sei? Hainetse. Why? Because angle ish handika hainetse kuwana. Angle ino e tinoiwana sei? It's just going to be 116 dividing 2, which is 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 11, that's 5, get 1, into 16, 8, so that's 58 degrees. Why tiri kuti ndi 58 degrees? Why taita zvataita? Reason iripo ndeye kungoti angle at center. So angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. And it at circumference. Like this. The angle iri pa center iri times 2 angle iri pa circumference. Kureva kuti kana tichida angle iri pa circumference tinongo divide na 2. You understand? Then kuti tiwane this angle, it's just going to be 360 degrees minus 116 degrees. And what is the reason? Reflex angle at center. So the reflex angle at center. Like that. Okay. Saka 360 subtracting 116, that's 244. 244. Angle iyi kuti tiwane tinenge takungoti 360 degrees. 360 dziri kubva pakuti ndiyo the sum of angles inside a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral, believe it or not, because we have this side 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But it's not a cyclic quadrilateral because 3 ma side, kana kuti 3 ma angle, 3 ma corner ndo akabata circumference. So it's 360 subtracting 25 plus 58 plus 244. Saka tangu edha ma angles ari mukati to subtracta zvatawana the sum from 360. So what are we going to get? 360 subtracting 25 plus 58 plus 244. It's 33. Saka panapa it's 33 degrees. As you can see, it's very different from 25. Saka most people make this common mistake. That is the reason why ndaona it's important we do it together. Then iyo it's quite easy. Why do I say it's quite easy? Okay, saka we can get this angle, and we can actually get this angle yesay tichishandisa chi angles on a straight line tokwanisa futi kuwana angle yesay. Okay, but this is a cyclic quadrilateral, remember. Saka because it's a cyclic quadrilateral, opposites should be complementary. It's a cyclic because all the 4 corners akabata circumference. Tinogona kushandisa angle ino e kuwana ka angle akadikaka. But kana tawana ka angle kadikaka takuchishandisa that V shape kuwana this angle foot. Then kana tawana angle e tinenge takuita sei. Let me give you this as a homework. Mukaitadza munouya nayo. It's intricate. It's intricate. You are going to apply many things and you are going to find many angles. But I think it's doable. That's why I'm giving you. Okay. Then this one is too simple because 360 minus 126 to an e, half a e in the ish. So I can do this one. Then panapa inenge isina kana angle mukati kana chi inenge yakangoratidza a system of parallel lines. It's not even a cyclic quad. This one do a research. So you can use different tools. You can use artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, etc. to do a research, say. But that's not usually examinable. So for that one, do a research. Then for that one, I'm just going to help you to show you this is 90. Try angle made by diameter, angle inside the semicircle. And you can, of course, use that to find this. And you should also see kuti katwenda kakaenzana neka angle kana aka. Because of angles inside the same segment, saka kana tatozowana zvakaita seizvo hazvichatinetse. This is also beautiful. Do as homework. Then panapa, this is a cyclic quad. Kureva kuti you can find this. Then you can work around it. Saka angles inside the semicircle anongo apply kana iri triangle iri kugadzirwa mukati mesemicircle. Kana iri imwe shape doesn't apply. I think I didn't clarify on that. That's very important. Okay. I also want you to do a research here. Yes, we also do research here. We are learning. We are not here to cram and just get into an exam and pass. We want to build thinking skills for the next generation. We don't want people who are credentialized, like people with certificates, but they don't know how to think. We want people who can think mathematically so that we can solve the problems in our African societies. So we are also going to give you research. Go and do a research on a question to see how a problem is solved. Number 3, in figure 14.25 AB is a diameter of a semicircle, danke, and blah blah blah. Calculate BCD. Aya questions anoda kuti muite mujoine like parikunzi join int, join CA. They are not examinable, but so we will leave them for research. Then panapa you should know kuti you are going to apply angles inside opposites of a cyclic. Then kana mawana angle iya chanitsikwana angle ne straight line saka iyo chanitsikwana. Then lastly, let us see. Then these questions are points in circle. I think we answered that. And what about panapa? Panapa, you can look at this and make deductions. Is this a cyclic? Yes, it's a cyclic quad because S, P, Q, then correct panapa I angle inetsikwana. Saka ikanetsinga netsikwana zvorati inetse. Alright. Yo. E question I think I should help you. It's a special question. It's special. Let us do it together. Seko saka P arikunobatana na Q, then Q arikunobatana na R arikukondinya akananga kuna T, but P arikunobatana na S ari samwe panapa, S wacho achibatana futi nani na R. So toda tsvaka this angle tapiwa kuti this is 20. Now taona kuti it's a cyclic quad because of P, saka we can write cyclic quadrilateral because of what? P, Q, R, S. And it saka kana taudzwa kuti angle iyi it's 80, zvoreva kuti this one is going to be 100. Andika? Because they are supplementary, saka it's just 180 minus 80 to get 100. But tawana this 100, can you see kuti angle iyi ino aichanetsikwana iyi under shade kaengo kanaka akachanitsi kuwana. Tinokawana sei kaengo ikakaka? Tinenge takungoti 180 subtracting 100 plus 20 because it triangle. Saka you should have an eye to notice my triangle anenge ari mucartoon. So this is basically 180 minus 120, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is equal to 60 degrees. Saka is 60 degrees. But angle ichava futi 60 degrees. Why? Because of angles at an intersection. Tina nonzi ma angles at an intersection akadai so. Angle ino mogona umati ma x angles to remember. Angle inenge equal to angle ino ish. Angle iri equal to angle ish. Like that. And saka kana iri 60 zoreva kuti futi 60. You get it? But kana chiziva kuti 60 60 aya 2 hafangu kutinitsa kuwana. Because tinongoti 360 subtracting 60 plus 60. Kuitira tizive kuti ine dzatisingasidzi dziri equal to chi. So this is 360 subtracting 120. So what is 360 subtracting 120? Let us do it on our calculator. We get 240. So this is equal to 240. But tawana 240, we are just going to take 240 to divide under 2. Kuti tiwane ichi 22 tiwane 120. So this is going to be 120 120. The reason being because my opposite sides pama angles at an intersection kana kuti ma angles ari pama line arugadzira x ari equal. Zvoreva kuti kana tikabvisa 60 uyu na 60 from 360, which is a complete revolution, tichasara na 240. But 240 wacho anofanirwa kusharewa equally between two angles. That's why I divide na 2. Saka zvazvinongoreva ndezvekuti angle yatiri kutsvaga it's 120. It's a special question. And I give you full proof and full permission to verify these answers. But it makes mathematical sense to me. So that's a special question there. Okay. Any questions, don't hesitate. I actually enjoy questions because it means you are engaging. And because ndinogadzira mavideo akakura, vanhu vazhinji havafariri zvinhu zvakareba stereki uye data rodhura. So if you ask a question, it knows, yeah, it means to me you are engaging, and it's an honor. Actually, it's an honor. So you can do number 6, 7. In Fig 14.29, O is the center of the circle. Anditi. So zvanzi iyo i50, iyo i15. Calculate MOL. Saka MOL angle iyo ndo iri kutsvagwa. Saka tinoicalculate say that angle. Calculator say, I want you to do a research on this question also. It's doable. Actually, I can give you a hint. This angle should be equal to that angle, but tisingadariki this angle and that angle, angles in the same segment. That's a hint there. Then number 8 is Torina Seko yacho. If you are interested, you can do a research here. Saka it's not a research. Let us call it a homework because question inogona kuuya. Andri kuita ma research, ma questions asiri as much examinable. Do andri kuita ma research, but this is important also. Nogona kuuya. Saka you research that one, you research this one, and you research this. Asikana musina time, you can go with that item. There are enough practice for you. So in Fig 14 point, tapa number 9, 3.1, calculate the value of x giving a reason for each step in your answer. Saka angle inowanikai. That's 180 minus 60. Disoga? Saka kana tawana that angle what it simply means is E inowanika, because this is a cyclic quad. A, D, C na B zvese zviri kuwanikwa pa circumference. Saka kana iyo ichiwanikwa E inowanikwa, E ikawanikwa E ichawanikwa. Maybe let us do test number 9. But before we go there, number 10 is purely research. Hakuna ma questions anouya achifunza kuprove any theorem. So it's purely research. Purely, I mean. So let us do that question together, which is our last question. But as I'm drawing it, I want you to know that my questions are, I also want from you, I want feedback from you if discussing questions is helping you. Because at this week, I'm just giving you hints and going. I think this is the best way of teaching this topic. So I want feedback if it's working. Then secondly, each question yataita, it's not enough kungoiona ndichiita inini kana ndichidiscussa. You have to try it on your own. That's the only way you can know kuti mashbata. If you don't try it on your own, you never know kana mashbata. So let us do this question together. So chirikuitika panapa, this angle. And what is that angle? Of course, we know kuti E ndi 60, but atisati tazviita, so let us not do that. Saka angle E inge iri equal to chi 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, kuti tiwane chi 120 degrees. So this is 120. But so this is B. Andika taona kuti ino inge iri chi ABC is equal to 120 degrees. Then we also know kuti ADC plus ABC inge iri equal to chi 180 degrees. And why is this? Opposite angles in cyclic quad. Kana ngoti angles in cyclic quad. So cyclic quad ndichangoyi shortena, but in your examination write it in full. So what it means is ADC is literally equal to 180 degrees minus ABC, which is 120, ichatidzosera pachi pa 60, like we had said. But zvadaro, what is going to be this angle? Angle E inge iri equal to 180 minus 2x. The reason being, tikati 2x plus angle ish should give us, tikati 2x plus angle yatizivi ngatingoti C should be equal to 180 degrees. Reason yakafanana na E, opposite angles in cyclic quad. Saka C inge iri equal to chi 180 degrees minus 2x. You get it? Saka iyo angle yo shairi 180 degrees minus 2x, ko angle yi inge iri chi. Angle E, because these are now angles on a straight line, inge iri 180 subtracting angle E. Saka tichaisa bracket 180 minus 2x. I know ndarasa wana. What's happening here is this is because of angles on a straight line. Tawana angle E as an expression 180 minus 2x. Saka ndrukuto discover kuti kucalculate this angle and that one was not necessarily necessary, but it's important. Tawana this angle as an expression. Truda kuwana angle iri panapa, it's going to be 180 because it's a straight line, subtracting in brackets angle yacho tawana as an expression. Saka this is going to be 180, then minus times 180, it's minus 180, then minus times minus in over plus 2x. 180 minus 180 and then this 0. Saka angle in get it 2x. This is beautiful. Saka swataona not angle yon di 2x. Tinegeta I triangle kai. Angle in di 2x sanga chikona kungooneka futi nekushandisa chi exterior angle of a cyclic quad because apa ndi 2x apa ndi 2x but tazviprova manje, saka zvinotipa manyemwe tasiyana hatina kukrema, tazviprova, you see. Saka apo ndi 2x kungoreva kuti this is 60 plus 2x plus x inofanira kutipa 180. Saka 60 plus 3x inofanira kutipa 180. Then 3x is equal to 180 minus 60. 3x is equal to, what is 180 minus 60? What do we get? It's 120. Tika divide na 3 kwese x inge equal to 40 degrees. So a quick mathematician could have just seen kuti apa ndi 2x before going anywhere. But some of us who are interested in formula, in steps, in constructing, not engineering an answer, we do not get a but we come back to the same conclusion. So when questions become harder, those people who think through stages are most likely to get them correctly because they have taught themselves to break down a question.